Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Greater Wave Media Group. They're looking for a director of social media part-time. It pays up to $300 per week. Greater Wave is a media company based out of Grand Rapids, MI, that specializes in promotional advertising, influencer marketing, and social media management. Our company operates a social media network assessing over 1 million users across a portfolio of digital assets. Opportunity. This is a unique opportunity to get involved on the ground floor with a growing company that has a ton of upside potential. With this position, you will feel more like a partner in a business, not an employee. As we grow, your experiences and compensation opportunities will grow as well. Job overview. The Director of Social Media will serve as the primary operator of Greater Wave's portfolio of social media assets. They will be responsible for planning, curating, and executing social media content guided by the strategic goals of each asset. Assets under management. The Director of Social Media will be responsible for 8 niche brands, each with an Instagram and Facebook page. So there will be a total of 16 accounts. Each account will require about 2 hours of weekly management duties and responsibilities. For each of the aforementioned social media assets, the following needs to be performed: routine feed or timeline posting 2-3 times per week, routine story posting 3-4 times per week, daily account maintenance, engagement with following and message management, daily content sourcing, saving, and curating, follow established brand guidelines and the asset's respective content strategy, coordinating and posting promotional content for clients of Greater Wave. Compensation. This position will pay a weekly base wage plus commission bonuses when leads are generated through social media. Likewise, the Director of Social Media will have opportunities to earn more if they choose to get involved in Greater Wave's sales process. Experience and requirements. Our ideal candidate will be organized, self-motivated, and a quick learner. They must excel in communication and understand the challenges of remote work. We will prioritize candidates who are located locally, who have experience managing high-reach social media accounts, have a degree in media, communications, or marketing. Questions? Please reach out. Thank you. Job type: part-time. Pay up to $300 per week. Schedule: self-determined schedule. Supplemental pay types: commission pay. Experience: social media management, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.